My name is Peter Lindsay. I'm the General Superintendent for the Canadian Port of Entry at the Gordie Howe International Bridge. Today we just finished our second to last pour for our maintenance building. We have reinforcing steel, waterproofing and backfilling ongoing today. First off, we start with our footings and foundations, which involves doing some excavation, grade preparation and testing, placing material. Then we move on to formwork and reinforcing steel, and then we start the concrete work. We installed wick drains and did ground consolidation work, which included permanent grade raise and surcharge material. During the first phase of the wicking, we on site installed 133,000 wicks, and we have brought in 1.1 million metric tons of permanent grade raise, which is the sand that you see around, including the surcharge. After that's completed, we remove the surcharge material down to our subgrade, and then we start our excavations. We really haven't used anything special. We are using standard concrete trucks, standard excavators, packing equipment, and chutes and pumps for the concrete. The concrete is sourced in Windsor, Essex. It gets batched just around the corner. This building is 3,500 square meters, which is approximately 38,000 square feet. We've been working on these foundations for 2.5 months. Our next step is to install structural steel. This is a significant building because it's the first of 12 that we've started. We will be taking the lessons learned from this building and moving them on to all of the other structures that we've done or that we will be doing. Our Canadian Port of Entry team has worked very hard to get to this point, to get out of the ground and to start these buildings.